Dear beloved judges, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Rika and I'm 10 years old. And my motivation for joining this competition is threefold. Firstly, I want to assess my English skills through external competition and aim to earn tiered certificate. Secondly, I like to follow in the footsteps of my older sister who participated in the storytelling competition 2 years ago. Lastly, I'm eager to share with you about my dream and how I plan on achieving it. It's such an honor for me to share with you a dream I have. As a technology fan, I admire how clever people improve machines to achieve huge goals to go higher, further, and faster than before. Instead of 8 hours riding a car to Central Java, now in 15 hours by plane, we can reach the other side of the world. Planes have made the world a smaller place. Such an amazing adventure can only be made possible if the plane is in the hand of a skillful and responsible pilot. One that will make sure her passenger arrives safely at their destination no matter how bad the weather may be on the way. I have a dream that one day I will grow up to be that pilot. I will research the latest aircraft types and learn about new aviation technologies such as electric propulsion, cloud computing, autonomous aircraft, and artificial intelligence. This will make sure that I can have full control over my plane, and even in bad weather, the passenger is comfortable and entertained. People skills are very important in service industry, and so I will build strong English and German language skills. Then I can communicate well with passengers and other employees in overseas airports. As I keep these sparks burning between my souls, I will learn all the basic skills needed to make sure that I can reach my dream as a pilot. I want to share a song that inspires me as well. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I think that song expresses my desire to become a pilot. Thank you for listening. I wish us all the best in life. I look forward to flying you somewhere one day.